All are belongs to IT or non-IT? Please once explain. You are belongs to IT or non-IT? Because I'm giving that more explanation, give the good right suggestion to you, right explanation. Those are IT, you very well know about that. Those are non-IT backgrounds or don't know about that laptop also, how to configure the laptop. Those also I will explain that basic, been from basic level to advanced level.
I'm from IT.
Okay, Siddharth from IT. What about Chendu, Gokul, and Suresh, Sanjay?
I am from non-IT, but basic computer knowledge I could have.
Okay, very good.
I am from IT, ma'am.
IT, okay, fine, good.
I'm non-IT guy.
Okay, good, good, fine, fine. IT you can capture easily. Non-IT background students are capture that very means 5 to 10 minutes lag. So that's it only. Okay. Yesterday what we are explained. My screen is visible?
No.
No, no, right. Wait. Screen share.
Ma'am, yesterday video is not uploading.
Not uploaded. I will connect to the
Yes.
DURGASOFT. I will. Okay.
Is
Please post the message in group. Please post the message in group. I will follow up to the DURGASOFT. Why your
Okay,
delay?
okay.
Don't. So that is the reason I create the WhatsApp group for communicating purpose. You are facing any issue, anytime, anywhere you are stuck, just ping in WhatsApp group. I will follow up. Okay.
Yeah, today is installation problem, some problems, but resolved and all issues.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. That
Madam, but I am not added to that WhatsApp group. Can you please add me?
Okay. Sure. Sure. Your good name, please.
Siddharth Savai.
Fine. Fine. I will send the link to you, Siddharth. Otherwise, save my number. My number is, I will send in WhatsApp in chat box.
Okay, okay.
Siddharth.
Okay, I will ping you.
You got it. Fine.
Thanks.
Yesterday we discussed about once again recollected. What is the current version talent we are using? Current version. Current version of talent.
6.4.
No.
6.4.
No.
Yes, sorry. 7.1 current version.
No. That's the first question. You're facing the first interview question is which version you are using in talent? Which version you are using in talent? That's the first question. You say that answer. 7, where is it? Interview questions. Frequently asked that interview questions. What is the version? Highlighted this slide.
7.3. Okay.
Highlighted this one. Okay. 7.3.1. Don't say that 7.3. 7.3.1. Okay. I highlighted this one. I remove this one. 7.3.1. Don't forget. Keep it here. Remember which version we are using the talent. 7.3.1. Come to that. Yesterday we discussed about that. Source is file, target file. Source is file, target is database, right? Is it clear, everyone? Source is file, target is file. Source is database, target is also database. Source is file, target is database. Then next, we discuss the source is file, target also file. These two we discussed. And also metadata scan. Metadata scan of the file we discussed yesterday. There are 2 files were created yesterday. Okay. Now the topic is source is database, target also database. Source and target both are databases. How to do? Okay. For that, DB connections. Okay. retrieve schema, retrieve schema, retrieve schema. Then next, here some options will be visible here. Our while your configuration, our user Oracle database name is username is system, right? System.
Yes, system.
System. And here the tables are there. Yesterday yesterday date is 6/17. Is that employee data 17? Okay, once again run the job, we'll see. We'll get that. Okay, this is the job we run. Table name is, what is the table name? Employee table 17/10/2025. Okay, run the job, clear and run. How to do source is database, I target also database in such scenarios. From at basic level to advanced level, we are discussing. Retrieve schema, select this option. For the avoiding confusion purpose, one is that one database used for output, one database used for input. Retrieve schema. Next, system. Employee table 17/10/2025. This is our employee table. Just select it one. Creation status is pending. It's backend process. Columns are 7 columns are there in this. Then next, then finish. Okay. Now create the job for this. Job underscore table to table. Table to table. Table to table. Finish. Where is our tables? Here, something greater than symbol. If any options in front of that option have the greater than symbol, it means something is there inside. You'll see. Is the greater than symbol, click that. And here one greater than symbol, click here. And here one greater than symbol, click. This is our table. Okay, T Oracle input. Input. Source is input. Source is database. Okay, source is database. Double click this one. Okay, double click this one. Look at here. By default, query will come. We will not write any query. We are taking the source is database. Must and should write the query. Without query, jobs will not run. But in Talent, we will not write any queries. We will not write any queries. By default, it will come. Talent will take care. Talent will take care. By default, it will come. Okay. Is employee number, employee name, salary, HRA, department number, department name, location. Select star from, select star. This is a table name, column names. By default, it will come. Okay. It's a table name. By default, query will come. And how to load the data into the database. T Oracle output. T Oracle output. Okay. Row main. Row main. Double click and give the table name. EMP table 18/10/2023. Today's date 18/10/2023. Action on table. Yesterday we discussed about that each and every topic. Default means we will go to that database, we'll create the table, we'll create the one script, write one script, create table, table name, open the bracket, columns, it's an integer value or it's a string value, give that varchar. Yesterday we are write one script, right? When we select the default, we will write script. And if you are select this option, create the table. Create the table. And if you select this option, create the table. Second time, run the same, the designer window, run the same job, it will give the error. The table must be created. That only one time process. Table create table means it will select the create table. It's only one time. The next time, 2 times or 3 times, multiple times, you run the same job in a single designer window. It will not be accepted. And for this, the best option using that drop table if exist and create means if already table is there, drop the table, leave the table and create the fresh table. Create the fresh table. Now run the job, we'll see. Clear and run. We'll see database to database. Load the data, database to database. What we will do here, just drag and drop the component, develop the job, drag and drop, and do that connections. The next give the table name and action on the table. Action on the table, and just drag and drop the jobs and develop the jobs. Okay. Then next, another scenario. Source is database, target is file. Source is database, target is file. How to do? Design, create job, job underscore, table to file, job underscore table to file. Means, so table means database. Okay. Now, how to retrieve the schema? Next, system. While configuration, Oracle configuration, give that username is system. This is a recent table. Then next, yes, finish. The talent will take care internally. We will not write any query. Now double click this one. Yes, look at see. Without any query, by default, talent will guess the query. Okay. Now, target is file. For the best practice, if you call any component, you will take any component. The best practice is click anywhere in the designer window. This is called a designer window. Click anywhere in the designer window. Just start typing. And remember the components. Okay, you will remember that components. So only 10 or 12 components are there. You will remember the 10 to 12 components. T file output delimited. Okay. Then give the connection row, main. Okay. Double click this one. Double click this one. Yesterday we configured, right? The same here also. Here 3 buttons. Oh, I configure this file as my temp folder. Employee file. Okay, open. This file have that header, include the header, advanced settings, uncheck this option. Advanced settings, uncheck this option. Okay. Only 3 options, remember. Only three options. One is give the file path. Second one is include header. The file have that header, include the header. And third one is advanced settings, uncheck this one. Okay, now run the job. We'll see. Okay, job ran successfully. 15,000 records are loaded to the database to file. Now we'll cross check that. Come to here. Where is the desktop temp folder? This is our new file, right? Refresh the date modify. This is in file. Right click, notepad plus plus. This is our file, right? Okay. The same in the designer window. I will run the job once again. Double click. Here one more option is there. Append option. If what happens, click the append option. You know the option is here that three dots, blinking that. Are you able to see the blinking? Blue color. It's blink the blue color. Click here, choose the path, the first option. Second option, the file have that header. And third option, advanced settings, uncheck this one. Uncheck this one. Okay. And one more option is there here. Append. What happens if append, select that append option. Okay, now run the job. Clear. And what is mean by append? Anyone have idea?
हम क्लास कर रहे हैं शिवा यार.
It will add the data at the ending of a file, means not removing the original content.
Yes,
Pending
exactly.
the data at the end.
Yes, exactly. It append means add the data to the existing file. Add the data to existing file. In previously have that, there is that file. This is all. Now we'll see that previously we have that 15,000 records. Now this file has been modified by another program. Do you want to reload it? Yes. Now we'll see that how many records. In previously have that 15,000. Now 30,000. 30,000 records. One is the header. One is that header. Okay, 30,000. Add that existing, add the data to existing file. Now, one more time, I will run the job. We'll see what happens here and run. Now, how many records will expect? How many records will expect now?
45,000.
45,000. Okay, we'll see.
45,001.
One means it's a metadata. Information of the data. One is, the first one is the information of the data. We'll see. 45,000. One is that the first row. What is the first row? This is the first record. Information of the record. It is called metadata. Information about information. This is the information. What is the information? Tell us about this columns. Referred as a columns is called metadata. Okay. That is what these are options. Okay. Now, up to here, clear everyone?
Yes.
Up to here, clear? Okay. Okay. Now, this is the table. Have the 15,000 records. This is the table. Have 15,000 records. And this table have the different columns. Employee number, employee name, salary, HRA, department number, department name, and location. I want from this table, department number 10 records. What will write the SQL query? I want only department number 10 records.
Select star from employee table where department ID equals to 10.
10, very good. Say, where department number, DEPT number equal to 10, where department number equal to the 10. Okay, we'll see. Now run the job. We can also write the query in the table. Okay, job ran successfully. In that 15,000 records, we are filtering the data. 15,000 records, we are filter the data. Department number equal to 10. Okay, we'll see. Copy the table name. Copy the table name. Come to the database. This is yesterday we discussed. Select star from table name. Okay. Take all 22,130. So record counts 2,133, right? In designer space also 2,133. Okay, it's fine. I want to write department number 10. And in this department number 10, who are having about 10,000 salary. Who are having about 10,000 salary. And salary greater than equal to 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Now run the job. It will run or facing an error. Okay. Job ran. And these persons are in the department number 10, 2,130. We'll see, cross check the database. Above 10,000. All department number 10 on, right? Department number 10. Okay. Okay. Then again, all this data, whatever we are getting the data, I'm sorting the data from descending to ascending. Sorting the data. How to sort the data? Order by salary. By default is ascending is a default. Order by descending. DES. Order by descending. Okay, now run the job. Job run. And previously to 12, 15, 10, 20, 10, 20. Now order. We'll see that 20. It's descending higher to lower. Okay, higher to lower. This is the highest salary. 20 is the highest. They have that lot of duplicates. Okay, it's let it. Okay, how to remove the duplicates? How to remove the duplicates? It's have that lot of duplicates. They're observing lot of duplicates. How to remove the duplicates? With a distinct, right? With a distinct class. Remove the duplicates. We'll see, run the job. After removing the duplicates, we got 6 records. All are fresh records, right? There is no duplicates. There is no duplicates. Look at the first one, the second one, 105, third one, and fourth one. Name is same. In the company have that one name itself, number of the peoples, right? But salary is different. But salary is different and employee number is different. This is also, it's a distinct record, unique record. And here, the name is different. Here the small, here the capitals. And here, the name is different. Right? These are the, remove the duplicates. Okay. You have that familiar, your hands-on performance, hands-on, familiar knowledge, good experience in a SQL. You are able to write the SQL. What about that? I don't have that knowledge in the SQL. I forgot the queries. I write that all queries also somewhere the special characters are comma, full stop, semicolon. I don't write. I remember I forgot that SQL query. I'm unable to write the SQL. How to? In such cases, how to filter the data? In such cases, how to filter the data? Okay. In here you are using that where condition, order by, sorting condition, order by, and remove the duplicates. Okay, remove the duplicate. I don't want to these two columns. I don't want to these two columns. What do you do? I don't want to these two columns. I remove these two columns. I remove these two columns. Okay, whenever you are modifying the two columns, add the columns or modify the columns, remove the columns. And what do? Immediately guess schema. Click the guess schema. Click the guess schema. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see that after click the guess schema, how many columns we have. Employee number, name, salary, HRA, location. Okay. Now run the job. We'll see what happens. Okay. Now come to the database. We'll see previously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the columns. Now only 4 columns, right? Employee number, name, salary, HRA, location. Here removing the columns. Okay, you have the good knowledge about the SQL. You write the columns or remove the columns, shuffle the columns. What do you do? And what about that? I don't have the knowledge on this. Much good experience in the SQL. Okay, I'm unable to write the SQL query. I'm unable to remember the SQL query also. I'm unable to develop the job with a SQL query. In such cases, those students, and we will do same job without SQL query. Without SQL query, how to do? Okay. Fine. There is a component is called for the filter the data, the direct component, filter component, T filter row. Okay, T filter row. How to connect this one? Row 1 main, click here. Click here. My cursor is, and here the plus option, plus. Drag and drop it here. Okay. Double click, plus button. We want to department number equal to 10, right? 10, that's it. We'll see, go filter. Now run the job, clear and run. $2,133. What do you do here? We are not writing any SQL query. Just call the component in the place of filter. Component is called T filter row. Plus button, which column we are filtering? Give the column. What is the value? Give the value. That's it. Okay, then next, we are filtering the salary also, right? Salary. Greater than or equal to, here that operators. Greater than or equal to 10,000. 10 or 12,000. Previously we give that table to table. $10,000. Salary greater than or equal to 10,000. That's it. Add the column. Give that operation. Now run the job. Job ran successfully. 2130, right? Now, what is the next operation? Sorting the data. Ascending to descending, descending to ascending. Sorting means ascending to descending or descending to ascending. Sorting means here the direct component is there. T sort row. T sort row. Okay. Now give the connections here. Filter. Just double click this one. Double click. Double click this one. Yes, plus option. We are sorting on salary, right? Ascending or descending. By default is ascending. No, give the descending. In previous also we are given the descending. Order by salary descending. Here also the same operation, but we'll do the component level without write the SQL query. I'm very poor in the SQL. I forgot the SQL queries also. In such cases, do this. Job ran successfully, right? Now remove the duplicates. For this, direct component is there. T U N I Q U E unique row. Unique row. Unique. How to remove the duplicates? Click here. For removing duplicates is very tough job in that SQL query. Here, give that lot of very big SQL query. Remove the duplicates. Identify the duplicates. First, identify the duplicates. Write the query in which columns we are identify the duplicates, and remove the duplicates. For that, in which column have the duplicates. Remove that. How to remove the duplicate? Right? The SQL query is very big query. We should write. In that SQL query also we are doubt the query is properly remove the duplicates or we don't know exactly, right? Now we'll see double click here. Just single click. Just single click. That's it. Just single click, remove the duplicates. Now run the job. Here also run button is there. Run job. Here also run button. Here one run button. And here also one run button. Everything is fine. Both are same. Okay. Run the job. Job ran successfully. Okay. Now remove the columns. How to remove the columns? Here one direct component is there. T filter columns. T filter columns. Okay. Give the connection. Go. Okay. Double click this one. I want to remove these two columns. Okay. Yes. Now run the job. Okay. Which one is easy? Right, SQL query is easy or through talent is easy?
Through talented.
Through talent is easy. Here is Just call the components. Just drag and drop the component. Just single click. Just click that options and develop the jobs. Just click the options and develop the jobs. Right? It is easy. Now here the 15,000, the source file have the 15,000 records, have the different departments, right? Where is that our source file? This is the source file. Have the different departments, different department number 20, 10, 20, 50, 30, 29, and these are different departments. We are filtering, process the data only department number 10, right? What about the other records? How to capture that other records? Customer said, okay, Dhana, you have processed the department number 10 records, you have removed the duplicates or something, you are doing sorting as per my business rule. You are doing, okay, fine, good. I want to that capture the remaining records into database. I want correct records are in this database. Capture that, remove the record, capture that remaining records into the database. How to capturing? Yes, here capture the database. Customer asks that, client asks the database. T Oracle output. Okay, just a single click. Here also just single click. Row, reject records. Reject records. Rejects. Reject order 2. These are the proper flow. Correct records are moving that flow. And rejected records. Now double click. Reject records. Reject records. Okay. Drop table. If existing, create. Okay, now we'll see run the job here and run. The total 15,000. Correct flow, correct records are as per the business rules, business validations, customer requirements, client requirements. Process that 2,130. Department number 10 records are flows. And here the remaining records. These are the remaining records. We'll see, check that. Copy this table name. Copy the table name. Come to the database. Table name. Like here the 20, 29, 30, different, right? Then next, here duplicates. Unique records are flows and lot of duplicates are there. Out of 2,130, only the unique records are 4 and duplicates are remaining. 2,126 records are duplicates. How to capture these duplicates? These duplicates also capture that into the database. The Oracle output. Okay. Here, row duplicates. Double click, give the table name. Just give the table name, duplicate records. Duplicate records. Okay. Drop tab references. Okay. Now we'll see here and the right? We are capturing the duplicate records. Extracting the data, transform the data, load into the database. ETL. Extract, transform load. Okay, up to here clear everyone? Having any doubt? Up to here clear? Is it any confusion? For the where class, using that component is called filter row. For the sorting the data, use the component is called sort row. For the removing the duplicates, identify, remove everything, only one component. Identify duplicates, remove duplicates, everything. It's only one component, is a single click. And you want to the shuffle columns. I don't want to the remove the columns. Okay, remove the columns. And here shuffle, we can also shuffle that columns also. This salary, I want to move. This one, I want to move. Shuffle the columns also. Location. Okay, shuffle the columns. We can do shuffle columns also. Yes. Now run the job. Now we'll see, check that. Double click here. Table name. Copy. Database. Right. Shuffle the columns also. Up to here clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tomorrow discuss about that deep discussion about that what we'll do the T filter row. What are the options in basic level? This is a basic level for understanding. Today only we'll give that information basic to advanced. You will be confusing a little bit. So remember these options. What is that? In which options will be available? In which data we are sorting and sorting the data and removing department wise also we can sometimes department wise remove the duplicates. How to that column wise remove the duplicates. Okay. How to do column wise remove the duplicates and filter the columns or shuffle the columns and replace the columns, add the columns. Those tomorrow discuss a deep discussions. Okay. Each and every component. These are the basic components. Each and every job use these components. Filter row, sort row, unique row. These three is the core components, important. Okay, the basic information about these components. What function of the T filter row? The function of the T filter row is we want find out that the particular records, like where condition, we want find out the particular records using the filter condition. Sort function 2 is sorting the data, ascending or descending. Just it, sorting, ascending or descending. Remove the duplicates. It's this component will do identify at the same time removing the duplicates also. Okay, those. But in the same way, the right SQL query, here writing the SQL query is easy for the removing duplicates. Identify duplicates, then remove the duplicates. If any columns also, number of the columns here, only 6 columns are there. 6 or 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even 100 columns also, remove the duplicates as a single click only. Single click only. That is what ETL specialty, front-end tool. Front-end tool means we are not worry of that much of the tension. Don't worry about it. It's a front-end tool. Up to here, clear everyone?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. You should practice. You can remember that option. Tomorrow discuss about that component wise deep discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone have doubts?
I have a small doubt.
Okay, fine.
We are just practicing the DB, but in real time, we have large set of database, right? So the ETL tool is working really fast that act as now, because in some databases there is your indexes is created or not, so it will affect the performance of talent, or it will automatically take care of them.
Right. Your question is You are working on the database, query performance is very low. You are increasing the performance, you have created indexes, right?
Yeah, sometimes it
Ah.
is created on table or
Ah.
not. Then it
Sometimes you
will
are
be
creating that indexes on key column. Sometimes you are not created the indexes, so the query is run first, right?
yes.
Such
So
scenarios also have in the talent. Just click on single click, your job will run fast.
okay. So it will
Just
create
click
automatic in the backend.
automatically. It's backend automatically it's created. Just single click, enable the option. That's it. If the checkboxes is there, na, is each
Yes.
and talent checkboxes is there. Just enable the checkbox. That's it.
Okay.
That kind of that scenario is also there. Improve the performance in job. Just
Okay.
single click. It's automatically backend. It will run automatically. But front end we are doing only single click.
Okay.
That click also remember that option and enable that single click. Your job will run fast.
Okay.
Increase the performance. Okay. Then next.
Thanks.
Fine. Good. Everyone is clear. Okay. Just you should practice. You are facing errors. I know you are facing the errors. Take the screenshot and send it to me. Send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Ma'am, scheduler is also in talent, right?
Sorry.
We can schedule job.
Schedule job. That's also will in talent. There are two types of the scheduling. Tag scheduling in the tag and inside also in Windows also we can schedule the jobs.
Okay.
You are working on the remote tag scheduling. You are working on the local development. Your PC. You have developed that job in your PC, your laptop. Schedule your job in local Windows side. That is also there in scenario. That scenario is also there.
One question also, there is a in left side panel, Snowflake Salesforce option is there. So we will also going to cover that.
Left side. Where is it?
Yeah, in metadata, it's Snowflake
Right.
Salesforce. So we are
These are
covering
databases. These are
So-
databases.
and Azure.
We are called the
Azure
database
storage.
Oracle right now. We are called the
Right.
database in connection. Give the connection database Oracle connection. The same. It will also work Snowflake database also. Give the connection Snowflake database. Give the connection Salesforce database.
Okay. Now my question is that we will covering that Snowflake Salesforce or only for Oracle
We
side?
will cover that Snowflake schemas. We can star schema, data marts, data warehousing concepts. We cover that.
Okay.
Snowflake schema, star schema, how it will work in real time, in data warehouse concepts, how it will handle. We will cover. That's also.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining. Practice well. And I will connect you to the DurgaSoft and upload it to the test study video. Okay.
Okay.
You're facing anywhere, don't stuck that, stop that, stuck. And just, one message between you and me, only one message.
Okay, daily based videos uploaded, man. You will practice only.
Okay, once you will go to that in your drive, in your mailbox, open your mails. Open your mail and this is your mails, right? Shared with me folder that sometimes are visible that 9 dots, click the 9 dots. Click the 9 dots, open the drive, shared with me option. Shared with me. You can visible that. These are my past classes. Yesterday class. Okay. Once check in your drive. Open the drive, 9 dots, click the 9 dots, drive, open the drive, shared with me folder. Shared with me folder, okay? Shared with me folder. Once you check, then immediately drop the message to that WhatsApp group. I will take care of that. I will follow up to that. Okay.
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 Once check
This
that this folder.
okay. This drive link is in the WhatsApp group, right?
No. Your mail. While you are registering, you gave that one mail to that DURGASOFT, right?
Right. Because I didn't get that mail. Yesterday I had done payment, but I didn't receive that drive location. That's why I'm
Okay.
asking.
What do you do? While you are registering, you give that one mail, right?
Yes.
Your name, your full name, first name, last name, mobile number, mail ID.
Right.
Huh.
That I have provided.
That you will go to that way. While you are registering one mail. In that
Yes,
mail?
but I didn't get any link or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
After this class, please once call, I will explain. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No issue.
Huh. Okay, what do? You are registering one mail. You're registering one mail. Go to that mail. Log in the mail in your WhatsApp or phone. Just click the 9 dots. Definitely, without mail, you are unable to log in. Without mail, you are unable to log in. Just click the drive
Yeah,
link,
Google
share folder. Shared with
Google
me
Drive
folder.
is
Right.
a
Each and every
16th video only video uploaded, man.
16th videos, not 17th
Yeah.
video. Okay. 16th video uploaded, right? You are able to see
Yes,
16th video.
16th video uploaded.
Okay. 17th video, I follow up to the DURGASOFT. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. I will follow up to this. Thanks for joining. Practice the class. You are facing some errors, I know. And post that errors in WhatsApp group. I will give a suggestion to you. Someone also will respond. If they are unable to respond, someone also will respond. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a sweet dreams. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Okay, ma'am.